Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
IO functions. IO functions, that is input-output functions. In this video, we are going to learn about how to give input commands to the program and how to give output commands to the program in C language. So let us now continue with our session. The concepts in this video are: first one, printf method; second one, scanf method; third one, getChar method; fourth one, putChar method; fifth one, gets method; and sixth one, puts method. Now let us understand in detail about each method or IO functions. The first IO functions is the printf. Printf is a predefined function in stdio.h header file. By using this function, we can print the data or user-defined message on console or monitor. While working with printf, it can take any number of arguments, but first argument must be within the double quotation. Every argument should be separated with comma within the double quotes. Whatever we pass, it prints the same. Any format specifiers are there, then that copy the type of the value. Syntax of printf is printf within the double quotation user-defined message, or printf within the double quotation format specifiers value 1, value 2, value 3, etc. We can understand with an example int a equal to 10 and double b equal to 20. Printf statement, the values of a and b are printf %d, %g, a, b. %d is used for signed integer, %g is used for float or double. So the output will be 10 and 20. The second IO function is scanf. Scanf is predefined function in stdio.h header files. It can be used to read the input value from the keyboard. Scanf have two arguments. First one should be a format specifiers, and second one is a pointer, that is starts with ampersand and followed by variable. The syntax is scanf format specifiers, ampersand variable 1, ampersand variable 2, and so on. Let us now understand it. Int a, double b, scanf %d, %g, ampersand a, ampersand b. This is how the scanf statement used in a program. Console IO functions. Console IO functions are the functions which are used for single or multi-character. It is of two types: single character function, multi-character function. In single character function, we have two types: type 1 getChar, type 2 putChar. In multi-character function, we have two types: type 1 gets and type 2 puts. Now we will discuss about each type in detail. The third IO function is getChar. This function is used to read the single character from the keyboard. Example, char ch. Ch equal to getChar method. The getChar waits for the character input until a character is typed at the keyboard. After that, reads a character and stores it in variable ch. The fourth IO function is putChar. This function prints the single character on the console or monitor. For example, char ch. Ch equal to getChar. PutChar of ch. Whatever is stored in ch, putChar will display it on the screen. The fifth IO function is gets. This gets accepts a string of character entered at the keyboard and placed them in the string variable mentioned with it. For example, char name array of 12, gets name. The sixth IO function is puts. It puts the value of the variable and then moves the cursor to the beginning of the next line on the screen. For example, char name array of 12, gets name, puts name. Syntax of gets and puts are very simple compared to using the scanf and printf statements. Gets and puts are generally used in string programming. Thanks for watching. Please share and refer your friends.